41,990 euros for a fully electric pickup with 420 kilometers of range. That number breaks everything you thought electric trucks had to cost in Europe. Most electric pickups either don't exist or cost over 60,000 euros. KGM just walked in with this for nearly 20,000 less. And it's not stripped out. Here's where it gets weird. Most pickups are built on ladder frame chassis. Heavy, crude, agricultural. The Musso EV is completely different. It's built on a car platform borrowed from KGM's Taurus SUV, which means it rides like a crossover, but works like a truck. The steering is direct. The suspension is multi-link at the rear, not leaf springs. You sit in it and it feels more premium SUV than building site warrior. But here's the part nobody expected at this price. Front-wheel drive makes 152 kilowatts and 339 newton meters. Want all-wheel drive? The dual-motor setup makes 304 kilowatts and 636 newton meters. Dual 12.3-inch screens, Nappa leather seats, heated and ventilated up front, 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control. That's faster than most hot hatches. In a pickup, starting at 41,990 euros. The battery is 80.6 kilowatt-hours. LFP chemistry, lithium iron phosphate. Range is 420 kilometers WLTP for two-wheel drive, 379 for all-wheel drive. Real world, 350 to 400 kilometers depending on conditions. Charging is where this becomes practical. 120 kilowatt DC fast charging gets you 10 to 80% in 36 minutes. 11 kilowatt AC charging overnight in about 10 hours. And here's the feature that changes everything for contractors. Vehicle to load, standard across the range. You can power tools, lighting, equipment. The truck becomes a mobile power station. Now the compromises. Payload is 500 kilograms. That's half what diesel pickups carry. If you're hauling pallets of bricks daily, this isn't your truck. But for tools, camping gear, bikes, or light equipment, 500 kilograms covers most real-world use. Not the 3,500 kilograms of diesel workhorses, but usable for most people. Ground clearance is 181 millimeters, about 50 millimeters less than a Ranger. Inside is where KGM shocked everyone. Nappa leather seats, heated and ventilated up front, heated in the back. Rear bench that slides and reclines, ambient lighting with copper accents, dual-zone climate control, optional Alpine premium audio. It genuinely feels premium. The exterior is sharp but refined. Dot pattern LED daytime running lights, three-dimensional black grille, 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels. It looks like it costs 55,000 euros, not 41,990. Now the warranty, 7 years or 150,000 kilometers on the vehicle, 10 years or 1 million kilometers on the battery. Most manufacturers give you 8 years on the battery, KGM gives you 10, and 1 million kilometers. Europe gets 4 trim levels. Bronze starts at 41,990 euros. Top spec with all-wheel drive, 52,990 euros. That's still 10,000 euros less than premium diesel pickups. This isn't trying to replace your Ford Ranger or Toyota Hilux. It's not a heavy-duty workhorse. It's an urban lifestyle pickup. A daily driver that handles weekend adventures and light commercial work without diesel, without noise, without emissions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.